In addition to the standard 2-track recording and playback system, both SANAKO Study 1200 and SANAKO Study 700 systems can add an optional professional pronunciation testing module. Using voice recognition technology, this module listens to a student's pronunciation, giving instant feedback and assessment. Pre-prepared text can be used. Alternatively, free type or copy and paste text from any source such as Word documents or target language web pages. To do this, select pronunciation from the activity bar. Then launch the Pronounce editor. Paste the text accordingly. Ensure the correct language has been selected from the drop-down menu. You are now ready to switch to practice mode. You are now ready to listen to your text.
Je voudrais une table pour deux, s'il vous plaît.
Repeat the phrase. Je voudrais une table pour deux, s'il vous plaît. The accuracy meter gives a percentage score, and difficulty levels can be adjusted as required. You can now launch this exercise to all students in the class to practice independently and simultaneously by clicking the Start button. Students are working on the file. When students have finished the task, click End. A dialog box appears asking if you want to collect back their work. You will notice a folder has been created for the students. When opening the folder, you can see there is an audio file and a Word document. The Word document is an individual assessment of the student's performance. These can be saved as required.